Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today is December 15th, the 15th day of Flossmas, and today has been quite a crafty one. I have been working on the quilt. You can see a sneak peek behind me. I've been attaching the butterflies onto there, and I made some Christmas cards, but I've already put them out in the post and I completely forgot to take photos of them. I had to get them posted out by lunchtime today because I'm heading off in the next couple of days, so I wanted to get that done. I caught up on my Steady Fred advent calendar, and which was the one I did last night? I think it was this one up here. So I worked on that one. So while we're talking about that, let's open Advent number 1, which is the Joddery Designs Advent Calendar. For anyone who's new here, I am using the Joddery Designs Advent Calendar to stitch my Steady Fred Deer Advent Calendar, which I'm really enjoying. That one little piece of stitching I can fit in at any point because, as I said, at the moment I am doing a lot of other things. So it's been quite nice to get that one done. So today's colour is called Paradise City, and it's blue, purple and green, which is a little bit of an odd combo colour choice for me personally, but it does look quite nice. So I'll be interested to see how that stitches up a little bit later. The other thing I have been doing is I will insert a clip here, but I made the gingerbread chocolate ginger. Well, it's not a gingerbread house, is it? It's the Cadbury's Dairy Milk Chocolate House, and I really enjoyed this piece. So I hope you enjoy the little clip. It's not perfect, but it's quite fun to make, and my students definitely enjoyed it. Hi guys, so I'm adding this little clip in. I do apologise if the camera is shaking. I'm holding it by hand. But this is what I ended up making yesterday. I did the Cadbury's Dairy Milk Chocolate House Kit. This was so much fun to do. I picked this up in Tesco's. Ignore the mess on top of the chocolate buttons. I ran out of chocolate because I was eating the chocolate as I went, and I ended up trying to do it with the chocolate sauce. And it made a bit of a mess, and the buttons aren't staying, so oh well. But this was just so much fun, and you could make this with the cheaper chocolate if you wanted, like the 45p bar ones, because all you do is you cut off the corners of this front one and the back one, so it acts like the front and the back of the house. A full bar for the side, a full bar for the roof. We have a flake in the middle, which is going to be the first thing I eat. And I used some of the chocolate buttons to decorate for like windows and a door, and then I just put them on the top here like they did on the picture, but I didn't bother going all the way around the side of the house. In the kit you don't get icing, but they've used icing for their elements, but I mean most people would normally have that. I don't have any, so I just kept it really, really simple, but it was a lovely thing to do. I made it this evening while watching a Christmas movie. I watched Noel on Disney Plus, which was really fun. I just propped these little wooden gingerbread pieces up to make it look fun. But there was my gingerbread house. I've just lost a button. We'll sneakily sneak that one back on. No one will know. But I'm actually going to leave this outside for my students to eat because it's way too much chocolate for me. And I know the students will love breaking it apart. So I'm going to go put this out for them. But I wanted to make sure I showed you guys. So just ignore the mess. But yeah. Such a fun evening, and so much better than a normal gingerbread house. One, so much easier, and two, I mean, who doesn't want to eat chocolate over gingerbread? Definitely my favourite. Alright, back to the normal video. So, moving on to the second advent calendar I have. This is the KLT Charting Designs advent calendar. And oh, we have a very grey one today. This is called Balthasar. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but it is a mixture of grey tones. Absolutely love that. Let's That's quite fun. And I just thought I'd show you. So I'm putting all of mine on a ring, but look how gorgeous these colours are. Like, you've seen all of these up close, so I'm not going to show them up close, but this is going to make an absolutely gorgeous piece when I'm finished. And that will be what I'll be stitching in 2024. So that's the 2 advent calendars. I have my final advent calendar, which is my Facebook switch or swap even. And today we have another mini kit. This is another Hobbycraft mini kit, and we have the polar bears. So this comes with everything that you need to stitch it, and that is super sweet. It's quite cute actually. So what I am planning to do is I'm actually, after this one's going to be a very short clip, because as I said, I was working on the quilt. I've made Christmas cards. I did make the chocolate house, which my students loved. I have just been watching, I was watching a Jeremy Clarkson Caleb Cooper interview for the Diddley Squat Farm. I really enjoy watching that series, so I've just been watching that this morning and finishing up some final pieces. So I completely forgot, but I'm due to open my Cadbury Designs fabric advent. So I'm going to be opening that now. If you don't want to see what is in the week 3 package, I can't believe we're already in week 3 of this, but if you don't want to see what's on week 3 package, then I completely understand, and make sure you log out now. And I will catch you tomorrow with a whip parade. So let's just jump straight in here. Oh, this is very bright. So the fabric we have is called Mrs. Claus Cookies, and it is a very, very bright pink, like a pinky purple colour. Let me take it out of the packaging so you can see. I get mine in a 13 by 18 piece, and it is incredibly bright. That's a very, very bright, bold pink. If I fold it over, you might be able to see a bit clearer. That's a gorgeous colour, and the thread that came with it actually matches quite well with the thread that we had today in the advent calendar. So let me just slip this back in the bag and then I can show you. And the thread is called Paradise City. Oh, which is exactly what I got today. So no wonder it looks so familiar. It's the same as the one that I got today in the advent. So Paradise City, which is fun. So I'm going to pop that in the bag because I'm keeping mine together. Okay, so I'm actually heading off this time, and I am going to go film my whip parade ready to go up tomorrow. So we'll see you tomorrow with that. Have a lovely evening, guys, and happy stitching. Bye all!